Bridging Cultures Through Ancestral Dance, Ian Porter Cultural Trust Individual Emerging Art Grant. My name is Narawadi Saisut. I was born in Chiang Mai and carry the heritage of both the Karen and Tai Lue peoples of northern Thailand. I am a graduate of the Chiang Mai College of Dramatic Arts, where I studied Thai classical Lana dance, now based in Australia. I continue to teach and perform. This project is deeply personal to me, and with the support of the Ian Porter Cultural Trust, I am undertaking this study tour to connect with sacred dance traditions across Asia and to prepare for a future cultural tour across remote, indigenous and rural communities in Australia. There, I will share these rare and meaningful traditions with audiences who may never have the opportunity to experience such performances live. It is a bridge across worlds, from hill tribe villages and the royal courts of forgotten kingdoms to rural, desert, and island communities in Australia. In Australia, I have worked in exploration and mining and as a deliverer on a remote indigenous cattle station. These roads took me far from the stage, but immersed me in landscapes, cultures, and communities that are now part of my story. I am now in a position of fully focused on my passion for sharing cultural dance and ancient art forms across regional Australia in the spirit of cultural exchange. After returning to dance in 2024, I have been sharing my art at numerous festivals, schools, and community events, where I have quickly gained a reputation for expertise and grace in Thai classical performance. This tour will deepen my understanding and connect me with other traditions across the region. With support of the Ian Porter Cultural Trust, I will travel from Australia to Timor-Leste, Indonesia, the Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, Laos, Yunnan in China, and India. In each country, I will study traditional dance that carry sacred meaning and learn directly from the people who keep these stories alive. Many of these traditional dances are connected by deep ancestral threads. This journey is not about collecting dances, but about tracing the living pathways shaped by migration, mythology, and memory. Timor-Leste Tepi Rikurai are communal dances of welcome and remembrance using traditional cloth and drums to honor warriors and ancestors. Indonesia In Bali, I will explore Lagon and Baris, mythic dances rooted in Hindu epics. Philippines Singly and technically blend elegance and resilience. Singly tales of marine owl princess crossing bamboo poles during an earthquake and can be traced to Thailand and China. Thailand I will study in Mae Hong Son near Myanmar border with a master of Nokingala and sword dance. These two dances are traditional art forms of the Thai Chuan people and have been preserved and widely performed in the upper northern region of Thailand. Laos In Luang Prabang, Lamwong and royal court dances flow with sacred grace, echoing and rhythm of the Mekong and ancient temples. China, Yunnan Among the Tai Lue, I will learn the peacock dance, honoring the Kinari, a spirit shared across our cultures. India In Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam express Shakti, divine feminine energy through breath, mudra and gaze. This journey will shape the next phase of my life as a dancer and choreographer. It will give me material, stories, and relationships that I will bring back to Australia. I am already performing at festivals and in schools, but I want to grow. I want to create new choreographies that honors our traditions but speak to modern audiences. I want to sit with elders, to dance with local people and indigenous, to learn from the body, not just from books, and to pass this on with respect. When I return, I will create a touring state work called Mystical Dances of the Golden Triangle. It will travel to rural Australia and remote Aboriginal communities and be shared through workshops, videos, and live performance. I am coordinating this tour independently and in consultation with cultural organizations, local guides, and host communities in each location, and I'm committed to undertaking this work with respect and responsibility. Dance is how we remember who we are. It is how we honor spirit, land, and story. Through this journey, I hope to carry not just steps, but meaning across oceans, across generations.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Nara. Thank you for listening to my story and this project. I can't wait to begin the journey. ขอบคุณค่ะ